Hello folks, we are taking the part 2 video of the exercise 3.4. We were finding the principal solution and the general solution. Now before I actually move to the next problem, small rectification. I suppose that when I was talking about these general solutions, I was talking about duplications. I suppose in my previous video there has been some slip of tongue, so I will make myself more clear that sine and cosec, they will have the same general solution. Sec and cos, they will have the same general solution. Tan and cot, they will have the same general solution. By any chance, if the words are spelled wrongly, please take this into account, and that is the correct way of doing it. So that's how we go about it. Now we have the third question. Third question says that cot x equal to minus root 3. We know that the question is to find out the principal solution and the general solution. For the first time we are getting a negative value. The earlier two questions that we did, we had positive values. No problem. So for negative value, see, when we had positive value, generally what happens is the first solution will be in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant we know all the values. So one value you can predict naturally, and only the second value we were searching quadrant, substituting values and getting answer. But here we'll have to actually literally search both the values, because both are negative and we are not so conversed with the other quadrants. So the work maybe will increase one step. Alright, so cot x equal to minus root 3. Where this could happen? Let's get our working done like this. That generally cot x, if it has to be root 3, at what value does cot x become root 3? It becomes at 30. So therefore it is cot pi by 6. Now this doesn't give you a condition like this. Cot x equal to cot y. We have to get that situation, and that is not there because of this minus. So how do we get this? See, it's very easy. The idea is which all quadrants is cot negative. Cot is negative in the second and in the fourth quadrant. And in the second quadrant, every angle is of the type pi minus theta. In the fourth quadrant, it is of the type 2 pi minus theta. That's all. You've got both the angles. And the theta, we know by and large it's going to be pi by 6. So what we are going to do is, here cot x equal to cot pi minus pi by 6, and cot x is equal to cot 2 pi minus pi by 6. Why? Because these angles will give you the cot value as minus root 3. Now how do you get that? For that, the trick is what I have shown here, that first you find out this value, then you find out the quadrant where it will be negative. So you get the general form. Once you get the general form, that theta you substitute by the angle which you have already got. So that way you will be able to get the required answer. So what comes up here? It is 1 into 6 into 6. So 6 pi minus pi by 6. It will come to 5 pi by 6. We are equalizing the denominators and we are getting it. And here you get cot x to be equal to, here we got cot x equal to 5 pi by 6. And here you are getting cot x equal to, here also, into 6 into 6. So this is how much? 12 pi minus pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. Right. So what happens? It gives you your principal values. So what will come? Therefore you can say thus x equal to 5 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6 are the principal solutions. They are the principal solutions. Please check how the working is. Are the principal solutions. Right. Then general solution is very easy. We have this ready reckoners, isn't it? So that gives you general solution. Also, if you want, cot is generally like tan. So you can take the tan, and in the tan we know, just take the value cot x equal to cot 5 pi by 6. So when you take the general solution, therefore x equal to n pi plus 5 pi by 6 is the general solution. I hope it's okay. First we got the principal solution, then we got the general solution. Only thing, principal solution, because it was negative, we had to think properly and then we had to get the answer. So that's about this question. Then we go to the next question. It says that cosec x equal to minus 2. Again, it's a minus thing. So the same logic we will apply. What does this mean? That if cosec x is minus 2, it is minus cosec of what value? See, cosec is 2 when it is pi by 3. I mean, sorry, when it is 30 degree. So when it is 30 degree, it becomes 2. So because that is the case, so this cosec value will become pi by 6. Because it is at, we know sine 30 is half and cosec 30 therefore will be 2. But this is now minus. It's okay. We have got the pi by 6, that is what we require. Now what we will do is we will search the quadrants where cosec is negative. Where is cosec negative? It is negative in the third and fourth quadrant, right? And in the third and fourth quadrant, how is the general form? The general form is pi plus theta and 2 pi minus theta. That's all. We only require this. So what will happen? Therefore, cosec x will become in the first case cosec pi plus theta, which is pi plus pi by 6. And it can also become, cosec x can also become equal to cosec 2 pi minus theta, which means 2 pi minus pi by 6. Let's see how it works. Into 6, into 6, into 6, into 6. So what will this work to? Cosec 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 6. And what will this come to? Cosec 12 minus 1, 11 pi by 6. So you're getting 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Yeah, that's how the things are working. It is 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 that comes up. So that will help you to give the principal solution. So what happens is here we get cosec x to be equal to 7 pi by 6 in one case, and you're also, not 7 pi by 6, cosec 7 pi by 6. Cosec 7 pi by 6 and cosec x is equal to cosec 11 pi by 6. So that way we get the general principal solution. Therefore, x equal to 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 is the principal solution. Now, for the general solution, we can, for cosec, we can always look at sine. If you get something like sin x equal to sin y, then x equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times y. So, also because cosec x is equal to cosec 7 pi by 6, so we write the general solution. Therefore, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times 7 pi by 6 is the general solution. Is the general solution. That's about it. Is the general solution. So this is how we go about principal solution and general solution. We've got the general solution for this. Now we go to the question number 5. But question number 5 is not like till question number 4. Question number 5 says that find the general solution for the equation. All this time we were given something in x, but there was a value given. Now it is not like that. Both sides are with variables. So you have to solve this, and there's no need for principal value, only general solution you are supposed to get. So let's see how to solve it. That's all. So what we do is cos 4x equal to cos 2x. Maybe we'll bring the cos 2x on the other side. So you get cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Yesterday at length we have done cos c minus cos t. Cos c minus cos t, it is 2 times sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 with a minus sign outside. So let's take that formula, and according to formula this is 2 times sin 4x plus 2x by 2 sin 4x minus 2x by 2 equal to 0. So when we work it out, what will it come to? Minus sin 6x by 2, so that is 3x, and sin 2x by 2, so that's x, equal to 0. See, whenever a product is 0, either of the terms will be 0. So what you will have here you can have sin 3x to be equal to 0, or you can have sin x equal to 0. It either one has become 0, that is why the entire expression has become 0. So we have to work out. And what we will do for working out, we will take this, that whenever sin x equal to 0, x equal to n pi. So what happens? when sine 3x is 0, 3x becomes equal to n pi. So also when sine x equal to 0, x becomes equal to n pi. We have learnt it that whenever it becomes 0, x has to be n pi. So we have got, so this is the solution directly. X equal to n pi is a direct solution. But this is not so direct because 3x, we want x, right? So let the 3 come on the other side. So when you take the 3 on the other side, it becomes n pi by 3. So what happens? These two are the general solution. So we can write thus x equal to n pi and n pi by 3 are the required general solution. That's how you go about doing this problem, where they ask you to find out a general solution from an equation that is given to us. That's all about this part of the video. The remaining we are taking it up in the next video. Thank you.